Assalamualaikum class, hope you all are fine. Today we are going to read chapter number 5 of computer. An operating system is the most important software that runs on a computer. It is the software that actually lets us communicate. Communicate means बातचीत करना, राब्ता कायम करना with the computer. We are able to give instructions. Instructions means hadayat and get our work done on the computer because of the operating system. A computer cannot run without an operating system. एक इंसान से कम्युनिकेट करने के लिए, से बातचीत करने के लिए हमें उसकी बेसिक नीड्स, वांट्स, उसके रिक्वायरमेंट्स को समझना पड़ता है. ठीक है, उसी तरीके से कंप्यूटर को हमारी बेसिक नीड्स, हमारी रिक्वायरमेंट्स और इंस्ट्रक्शंस को समझने के लिए एक ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम की ज़रूरत है. Some examples of popular operating systems used on desktop and laptop computers are Microsoft Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Some of the functions of the operating systems are: it controls the working of different hardware devices attached to the computer like the keyboard, mouse, and monitor. It keeps track of all the programs on which we are working. Microsoft Windows operating system. Microsoft Windows is one of the most popular operating systems. Some of its features are listed below. Microsoft Windows is a graphical user interface based operating system. We do not have to remember text-based commands to operate the computer. It has small pictures called icons. You can carry out tasks on a computer by clicking, pointing, or dragging the icons. It is easy to learn and use. It allows you to work on many programs at the same time. In a graphical user interface operating system, everything is shown as a part of a rectangular area called the window. Starting window 10. When you switch on a computer, the screen appears automatically like this. This screen signifies that Windows operating system is being loaded into the computer memory. This process of loading the operating system after a computer is switched on is called booting. During booting, the computer performs necessary actions which makes it ready to use. After booting, the following screen appears. After booting class, this type of screen will appear on your desktop. This is called the login screen. A login screen asks you to enter a username and password. After entering password, a computer does not allow a stranger to use it unless somebody provides the correct combination of the username and password. A username is any name created to use the computer, and the password is a secret key used along with the username. Desktop. This type of screen is called desktop. Just as we place a pen stand, time table, or a clock on top of our study table, similarly, frequently used things are placed on the computer's desktop. The desktop contains the following items, icons, and the taskbar. These small pictures are called icons, and this bar is called taskbar. Hope you understand, class. Allah Hafiz. Stay home, stay safe.